Welcome back this noon. The holidays are here, and Angie Horkan with the Wisconsin Beef Council is sharing some beef tenderloin recipes that are perfect for your family.
Happy holidays, everyone. Can you believe it's December already and we're talking about our holiday meals? Well, they might look a little bit different this year. We might be having some smaller, more intimate family dinners around the holidays. But so I wanted to talk tenderloin today. I think a tenderloin roast is perfect for those kind of meals. I love having a tenderloin around the holidays, like a Christmas Eve meal or even New Year's Eve. It's perfect. A nice 2-pound center cut tenderloin with no waste on it will make a couple meals. So you can cook once and dine a couple times. Also an option this year is buy a whole beef tenderloin in the supermarket. We have a nice easy cutting video on our website beeftips.com that shows you how to take this tenderloin and cut it into different meals. So cut out that nice center part of it, trim it up yourself, and roast it for a perfect holiday meal like this herb beef tenderloin roast. And then what to do with the other parts. The tail and the larger end you can chunk up for stew meat, and then or even slice into fillets and make mini beef Wellingtons like this, what I have here. So tenderloin's easy to cook. You just need your roasting pan, a rack, an oven-safe meat thermometer. You want to go to beeftips.com and find rubs and sauces. We have tons of perfect recipes for tenderloin. This one I made here is called herb crusted beef tenderloin. So I just rubbed it with some garlic, cracked black pepper, olive oil, some fresh parsley, fresh thyme, and fresh basil. So I rubbed it, put it in my roasting pan, 425-degree oven. Now a tenderloin roast like this, a 2-pound center cut, will cook reasonably fast, especially compared to your prime rib roast. I like to set my timer for about 30 minutes and then check my thermometer, 135, remove it from the oven, leave it in the pan on the rack, just cover it with foil, let it set 10 to 15 minutes, and that temperature is going to raise to 45 degrees, for a nice pink medium rare. If you want a little more medium, leave it in the oven to about 150 degrees and then let it rest, and it will raise to 160. So you can have a nice, perfect roast like this. Also, I thought it was fun this year, if you are going to have a small gathering, 2 to 4 people, up to 6 people, make some individual beef Wellingtons. Kind of fancy, but pretty easy to make. So just saute up some cremini mushrooms in a little wine with some shallots and a little garlic, and then quick fry your tenderloin fillets. So beef Wellington, these minis use a little fillet. So if you did go out and purchase the tenderloin roast, just cut it into fillets. Quick brown those on both sides, and then put them in a puff pastry or phyllo dough and bake them at 425 degrees in the oven. So the recipe's on beeftips.com. And then also, of course, planned over recipes. So if you do get a 2-pound center cut tenderloin and your family only has half for their holiday meal, make some fun appetizers or crostini with some flavored cream cheese and caramelized onions the next day to snack on. So a lot of great options for a beef tenderloin for this holiday season. All of the information is on beeftips.com, the Wisconsin Beef Council website. Click right on the home screen on Home for the Holidays. You'll find all of these recipes, plus our videos and our cooking charts and everything you need to know to have a perfect beef meal. All brought to you by Wisconsin's beef farmers through the Beef Checkoff. Wishing you and yours a wonderful holiday season.